Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. I wanted to show you guys a trailer we're super excited to have. This is an amazing trailer. This is a 2019 Cargo Craft 8.5 by 24 dragster. It does have a matte black smooth skin blackout package exterior, which you guys can see. It's absolutely gorgeous in person. You do have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom, as well as the diamond plate corners and a rounded upper cap. Nice big extended heavy duty triple tube tongue. This is going to give you guys a great turning radius with having this tongue extended, plus you have a generator platform right there. This one is stock number 14732 and it's on sale for $19,777. Loaded up full of goodies. Side door does have the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection there and a nice big gutter. Plus we've added a window here in that side door as well. This is a slider window with a screen. Two of the nice big LED party lights here on the side as well. Those are those light bars you guys see kind of recessed into the side of the trailer, and it's going to give you guys a ton of light on this side. Again, smooth skin exterior, so no screws or rivets. This one is equipped with the power package as well, so you've got an exterior GFI outlet right there, and two 5,200-pound torsion spread axles with brakes, aluminum wheels, radial tires, and this is, again, in the trailer towing world, as good as it gets as far as setup goes on a trailer. So the torsion axle is going to give you guys an independent suspension underneath the trailer, and then by taking the axles and distributing them apart like they are, it can cut down on wagging and swaying that can occur. So again, optimal setup there. Plus you get the really cool spread axle skirting on the trailer as well. Now this one is insulated with windows, so you've got one of your windows there. We'll talk about those more in a second. Now this trailer also has bogey wheels underneath, so see if I can catch those here. There's your roller wheels or bogey wheels. Those are designed to help you guys not rip the back of the trailer off. So if you guys take this out and you're in a situation where you're gonna drag the back of the trailer, it simply rolls on those steel wheels instead of ripping off the back corners. So really nice feature to have there, especially if you guys are like us and you like to go to Moab and do things off-road. It will save the back end of your trailer. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, plus you've got a diamond plate transition flap right there. Couple of overhead LED spots as well, so you guys are gonna have great load light at night, and that switch is located right there. So drop the ramp door down, bam, immediately you've got some good load light. You also have the really nice diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb and a gutter over this door as well. Then on this side, kind of back up and get you guys a shot here, you've got a nice escape door. This acts like an awning door and lifts up, so you guys can pull your cars in, open up your car doors through that opening and make it much easier for you guys. You can also use it for UTVs, or it's just nice to really be able to ventilate the trailer as well. 7-foot interior height with this unit. We're gonna have about 6'9" at the rear door, because this does have a dovetail, sorry about that. And you guys can see at the back end of this floor drops off about 3 inches, which is gonna help with the angle and the brake coming in and out of the trailer if you guys have lower profile vehicles. Rubber coin floor, which is gorgeous. You've got a one-piece floor in here, 2 full rows of E-track in the floor as well. So tons and tons of tie down points in here. This is gonna be great if you guys haul a lot of different types of vehicles. So if you're hauling a car, then you're hauling toys, and you're hauling furniture, this is great because, like I said, it gives you guys pretty much endless setup and tie down points down there. Insulated walls and ceiling in this unit with white aluminum wall and ceiling liner, and lighting in this trailer is not gonna be a problem. You guys have big 4-foot LED lights all across the ceiling, plus you've got 8 of the puck lights on the walls, so you will never complain about not having enough light in this trailer. It's got a great setup. You also have an overhead Maxx Air roof vent right here, and then coming in a little bit closer up towards the front, we do have an AC unit with a heat strip, so you've got some climate control in here as well. Upper and lower aluminum cabinets. These are gorgeous cabinets. You've got 24-inch lowers and 18-inch uppers, plus this really nice countertop workspace with a couple of outlets. And then the 30-amp box is hidden right here. Now I've pulled the cap out so you guys can see. You take that cord and pop it right through the floor into your generator or extension cord, and that's gonna power up the trailer for you. So that's a really nice feature. It looks like you've got a couple of outlets there, another outlet here, another one next to the side door. And so you've got 4 internal outlets and 1 exterior GFI. Here's kind of the back side of that door, which is really cool. You guys can look out the door and see who's actually there. Plus you've got a step coming in and out. Backside of the RV lock has this piece, which is a lock-a-latch set of keys. This is gonna turn on your pucks, your overheads. This is gonna work those party lights on the outside. And again, AC unit with the heat strip. So here it is An amazing trailer, like I said, is gorgeous on the outside, gorgeous on the inside, and it has got a lot of different features and functions for you guys, with it being insulated, windows, AC power, the escape door, dovetail, and your bogey wheels. So as always, we would love to earn you guys' business. If you're in the market for a new trailer, please give us a call, 303-688-8485, or you can check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. And if you guys don't live near us, that's okay. We've got very reasonable shipping options available for you guys as well to get your trailers. So again, 303-688-8485.